arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal. Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to. Almost there. Enter and confirm your parents' email address. Enter your birth. Almost there. Enter and confirm your parents' email address. Finally, review the Animal Jam Code of Conduct. Never share.
Today, the world of Jamaa is home to millions of animals living in peace. Yet a long time ago, this world we loved was nearly lost. Nobody knew where the phantoms came from, but they left Jamaa in ruins. The animals gathered for a last stand. And then the Alphas appeared, a group of extraordinary animals from a faraway land. I stayed.
Welcome to Jamaa. Click the mouse to move close to me. Hello there! Every animal in Jamaa is special. You should spend some time making yourself unique. Click on the animal picture to do so. Great job! Click on the Color tab to change your colors. Click on the Eye tab to change the shape and color of your eyes. Click on the Pattern tab to change the shape and color of your pattern. When you love how you look, excellent work! By changing your colors, you just earned your first achievement. Achievements are awards you can earn by doing special things around Jamaa. You have done so well in your training so far. I'm so proud of you that I want to give you some gems. Gems can be used to buy clothes, furniture, and all sorts of neat things in Jamaa. Point to the gems at the top to see how many you have. Your training is finished for now. I think you're ready to discover Jamaa. Good luck on all your adventures!